Hey, well, this evening the doors remain closed, the signs remain up outside, and people will occasionally be walking up to the Trader Joe's here in Arlington to see if it's open. It's closed, though, and it's all because of a positive case of coronavirus. With the spread of coronavirus bringing long lines at some grocery stores, today the disease bringing a closure. The Trader Joe's in Arlington off North Highland Street shut down after an employee who worked as recently as this past Sunday tested positive for coronavirus. The signs posted on the doors saying the Trader Joe's would be closed for cleaning.
Man, it's horrible. We're really concerned about every worker on the front lines of this crisis, and that includes grocery workers.
The United Food and Commercial Workers Union represents thousands of men and women working at local grocery stores. The union says this latest development shows the risks of being a grocery store worker now.
They're exposed to a lot of people in the public. I mean, a given grocery worker could be exposed to hundreds of customers in a day, thousands.
The union now pushing leaders to classify grocery store workers as first responders to offer them more benefits and protection.
In this kind of crisis, they really are. They're continuing to keep our communities running.
Positive coronavirus cases now hitting grocery stores, with the union asking the public to help keep workers safe.
We're asking customers to respect these protocols and keep our members safe if they expect these stores to continue operating.
Now, according to Whole Foods, the store on the 2200 block of I Street Northwest, the Whole Foods had an employee also who tested positive for coronavirus. That employee this evening does remain in quarantine, and at last check, that store remains closed. Again, that's the Whole Foods on the 2200 block of I Street Northwest. Live in Arlington, I'm Tom Dempsey, WUSA 9.